Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I'm here with my two favorite helpers, Elaina and Lydia. We have almost 5-year-old and almost 8 months old. And here we have this planner. It's for 58 months, 59 months, and 60 months. So, which 60 months is really 5 years.
And 5.
Exactly, and Elaina, you are 58 months and a half, so this is a perfect kit for you. And what I love about Lovevery is they have specific months for every kid, so that way you're learning at your time. And I'm sure you can play with this even after you're 5 too. So
I could practice.
You could practice, exactly. So let's unbox it together, Elaina. Come on.
I know how to unbox it.
Okay. Oh, all right. Unbox it. Show the box. Look what we have here. Elaina, show them what this comes with. You see, it's like a poster, but it shows you what's inside. And before you even check this out, what it says here, Elaina, it says designed by experts for your child's development brain. Look, Lydia's already eating it. So here we have it.
We have a clock.
Mm-hmm.
We have a little pouch.
Nice.
We have some things here.
Yeah.
And we have, where's this?
Let's open that up.
I
See,
never
this
opened
is-
this.
Yeah, let's open that. Let's see what that is.
Look.
Oh, that comes with, it comes with batteries. That's for the clock, and this is for the minutes and hours, right? So you have pretty much a clock plus you have,
Okay.
this
we have
comes
this.
with the clock, yeah.
We have a
minutes and-
book.
Yeah.
Let's
Exactly.
see inside the book.
Oh. Is
a scavenger hunt.
Okay. Yeah, it does say scavenger hunt on that book. Wow, Elaina. You're super smart. And what else do you have there? Oh, there's rocks there.
And there's a diamond.
Wow. Take a look here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so there's dominoes, there's a rope, energy in motion, wooden ball ramp. I guess this is the energy in motion.
Oh, that is a big one.
Oh, there you go, Lydia.
The biggest one is underneath. But
Yep.
we have to pick it up after. There is domino.
Oh, that's the dominoes. Yep, that's the subtiling dominoes.
Do you remember dominoes?
Uh-huh. Wow, those look really, it's like wooden, like really good material.
Yeah.
Wow.
Diamond goes here. And
Uh-huh.
the biggest one.
The last one. Last one in the box, guys.
Done.
You want to open it?
You want to?
Oh, we need a little helper here.
I could help.
We might have to get a little bit
Oh, I got it.
of...
Wait a minute, guys.
Well, wait. Elaina got something. So, yeah, so these are there's 6 different pieces, right? And this is the last one, which is the road.
Scissors! Scissors coming in the way!
Okay, Elaina, you got it. Good job. Yay, you did it. Whoa. Get started guide. So this, you create pretty much your own
Oh my god!
course. You have this, and these courses go, and you pretty much have a ball, right? And you're trying to predict where the ball is gonna go.
I'm gonna play with it now.
I think the ball is in here. That is so cool.
See,
So that's pretty much everything. So what's cool about these, they're really designed to help your children grow in different aspects of their learning. And my wife loves these. That's how we have all these toys, because she's obsessed with this, and it's great. It's great because these toys are the only ones you really need. You could get them from 0 to 5 years old, and that's all the kids really has to play with. Who knows? Maybe in the future they'll have more, right?
I did it.
You did it, Elaina. Look at that. They might, and it's only in the U.S. for now. So there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, concern, put it down below. I'll make sure my wife answers all your questions, or we'll go on their website and do it. All right. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video.
Bye-bye now.